Hello, I've had a few questions as to how the Wonderful Waterfall mechanism works for the pocket pads by Hunkydory, and so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how easy it is. This is one I've done already, and as you can see it gets its name from the way that the pictures cascade. The pack comes with 16 sheets and they're all die cut and they've all been sized correctly to fit all of the pocket pads. I've pulled my mechanism out of the sheet, and the first thing you're going to want to do is to fold it. So if you have the coloured side facing up, and then you've just got a series of folds here that you just need to fold over so that they're all nicely folded, and then give them a press. Once you pop your folds on, you want to add high tack tape. Just be careful when you do this because it is a sort of once and done. And you want to add one at the very end here and then one in between each of these folds here. You're then going to take your long piece of your mechanism and we're going to attach it to this point here, and then you'll fold it round. Once you've got your long strip added on this edge here, you're going to turn the mechanism over and fold it round, and then you're going to add high tack tape here. So I've placed my tape all the way across, and this is the bit that will attach your waterfall to your card. So I'm now ready to start decorating my squares, my rectangles. And what you want to remember is that you need to have the tape on the reverse side, not on the coloured side, so that as you as the pieces flip round, you'll see the colour, not the white. And make sure when you're doing this tape, make sure that you leave a little bit of a gap on the edge and push it down really firmly so that there's no lumps and bumps in it. And then you're going to just take off the tape, both sides, and you want to line up the long side, not the short side. It's easier if you line up the long side. So the reason I've left a little bit of a gap here is that you can then spend time, and you've got a little area where it's not actually attached to the tape where you line it up, and then once you're happy, just put it straight down and give it a press. So you've got purple one side, and I didn't line it up quite as well, but then you've got the coloured side one side and your design the other side. And now we're ready to put our waterfall card together. So as you can see, when you pull this strip here, everything folds up neatly. There we are. So what I'm now going to do is to decide which designs go where, and I start off with this one here, then work to that one, then that one, and then the final one. And you want to make sure all the edges line up. I've put my first one in, and I'm now ready to add my second, and I just thought I'd show you a handy hint. I've got my mat here, and I've lined the bottom of this one up with one of the lines. So now I can do the same with the next one. I'm just going to move that over slightly. So that's one way of helping to do it, and you want to make sure that you just butt it up slightly before that next one. So it's not that easy to actually do this. That looks about right. Okay, and you carry on like that. I've got all my designs added, and I'm now ready to pop my waterfall onto my card. I've got a 14 centimetre by 14 centimetre card that I've created myself, and all you do is remove the tape here, and then you can position it onto your card, and there will be on this card there will be a bit of an overhang. There we go. And then it's got a nice little hole here that you can add a ribbon to, and then when you pull it, everything cascades over, and I've got room to add a little message at the bottom, and then my card is ready to be sent. I hope that helps if you've been thinking about giving them a go. They're really quick and easy to create, and they really do make a stunning card. Thanks for watching. Have fun creating.